Hey guys, it's me Art again from Art's Mobile Auto Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filters for the BMW X6 E71 chassis. It's fairly simple. Tools you'll need is a ratchet, an extension, and a 13mm socket. The extension is going to be for when we take off the covers. All you do is use the size 13 and you twist it. 1, 2, 3, and 4 for that side. Before you do that, you remove the insulation, the rubber one, and then start wiggling it, and it's out. After you do that, same thing. One here, and then as you can see, there's two more. One here, and one right there. Take those both off. That's why you need the extension. Quarter turn and quarter turn. Get those off, and the cover should just come right up, just like so. There you go. The connection here, you just press the tab right here, and you pull it. Press it right here, and you just pull it out. This is where your cabin air filters sit. One here, one there. To get them off, all you have to do is press these pins like so. 2, and place this. You gotta do it at the same time, both. And same thing here. And it's out. So that's your cabin air filter. It was somewhat dirty, not too bad, but oh well. And you do the same thing backwards. Sorry, do it this way. And same thing here. There you go. One in. Now the second one. One here, and same thing. You just pull this one out. So this one's not bad. Not too bad either. Well, kind of. Then you grab the new one, and you do the same exact thing. Just clicks. And this one. Clicked. One of the tabs are already broken. Wow, a new one. Anyways, and then we'll do the same thing back. Take the connector, plug it right back in. There you go. And it's set like this. Just like this. Now we use our extension, and we'll do a quarter turn once, 2, there you go. See, it doesn't go anymore, and it's snug. After that, we put our cover back. There you go. go. Now we'll do the same thing here. Quarter turn. Clockwise. 1, 2. There we go. That's done. Now we'll put the rubber back on. Just like that, so it doesn't go anywhere. There you go. And this is how you replace the cabin air filters on a BMW X6. And it's the same process for the E70, the X5s, the newer body ones, the same body as this one. Same thing. My other video, if you're interested how to replace the air filter, there's another video down below in the description. You can find a link there on how to replace the air filter. And there's a couple other links with this car on how to replace the battery and how to change the oil in this car. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you.